in. I'm going to have to shoot you later if you keep trying.
Do the intro.
I can't.
Come on.
I don't know what to say. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're gonna be putting on his tires.
Ooh, rims and tires, girl.
Oh, rims and tires.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Alright, so today I got my new wheel and tire package coming from Fitment. I'm just waiting for the FedEx car or truck to be here. And he said he'll be here any minute, so yeah. So it's gonna look nice. Car looks really clean right now. But yeah, just wait till he gets here, I guess. Yeah, they're here. They're here.
Okay, lock the car so no one can get it.
Some Toyo Proxies.
Yeah, so volcano, I can see it. Let's go.
Oh, you said what?
Did you want anything from Dunkin'? Why am I so close to the camera?
You're not even that close. Stop.
Okay, it's been a long time since you played Joe.
Did you want anything from Dunkin'?
I don't know, I can't see you.
Did you want anything from Dunkin'?
No, I'm good.
Did they move the entrance? Yeah.
Okay.
Stop doing this.
I'm good.
Hey, we're not
Okay, now you literally got us stuck because you did that.
ready. I got you.
I'm going to land right here. So I'm trying to hijack.
Alright. I kind of want to see these lug nuts. I feel like yeah. Kind of. The shipment kind of scratched it, not gonna lie to you.
Hey guys.
From Fitment Industries. These are 18 by 8.5. I think at Avid. How you say it? I don't know. But yeah. I'm gonna open one up right now, see how they look. I also want to see the lug nuts too. Hold on, get the knife. Boxing. Probably the lug nuts. Ooh. These are like the black like spikes for the lug nuts. It's kind of hard to see, but like black spikes.
There's no empty servers.
Yeah, the lug nuts right here.
This game doesn't have private servers.
Just tip one out, look at it.
How much is a neighborhood?
What's nice?
How much?
It's pretty cool.
When it expired.
What's this? It's heavy. These are the actual lug nuts themselves. Is there a key? Here it is. With the key. Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
Okay then.
This, I'm not sure what this is actually. Like, no weight in it. It's like a pound, not even.
Okay guys.
stickers.
That's what I did. I had to find it.
Sticker. Card. Cool. Cool. Oh, it's from?
Did you tell her you tried to get her the thing
Press
last
the
night?
screen so you can see it. There you go.
No, I think it's like I just don't.
Okay.
The moment I got over here, she has to go. Why is life so cruel?
Shoe fell off.
So now we're like,
Oh, it looks cool. Can't really see it.
oh, that's a nice tire.
Look at that.
Looks good.
It's cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
They're pretty big tires.
Oh yeah, it's big.
Yeah.
But they're not heavy.
Wait, they're not?
Mm-hmm.
Can I hold it?
I mean, compared to my other one.
Oh, never mind then.
They only put one. Oh, it's already balanced and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do I do with it?
Anything else?
Now we're waiting for about 12 hours.
I just don't know if it comes with the center caps or not. Smart weight wheel balance summary. Oh, it's just sort of balancing the wheels. Yeah. These are soft too. Gives them good grip with these tires.
80 and 20.
Say hi.
Hello. Gangster.
Okay. Look at you. What's wrong?
Nothing.
Oh wait, I was gonna show them the wheel. Look at that. Pretty.
Very pretty.
This one? You okay?
No. This side was hitting the fender, like inside, so I had to raise the coilover in the back, but this impact is trying to down me, and the bolt is almost back in. It's literally like, yeah, it's like, yeah, really close. So yeah, once that's back on, I can put the rears on, and we're done.
That's it. Okay, tomato.
Taco Tuesday.
Tuesday taco. Did you need them?
You what?
The lug
They're right
nuts? Where are they? And those are all his stickers so far. Simplicity, Race Land, Stay Ill, Cork Sport, Gretty. Nice, right?
We'll do the thing.
Yeah.
Nope, not pocket.
Okay.
The little little key.
What?
So we're putting on these.
Do it. He's irritated.
Yeah, come look at this. Come this side. Look, show this side real quick, my bad. This can't fit, right? Actually, it's better than before. Come over here. Like, what the heck? Alright, so it's finished. We got all the wheels and tires on. We ran into some issues because my sway bar end links and my rear sway bar end links are they're kind of donezo, you know, cooked. So I couldn't get the fitment that I really wanted, per se. But I'd say it's looking pretty close to like how I want it done, just not 100%. Put you right here real quick. Okay, so on the driver's side front is perfect. This is exactly how I want it. Like, it's like, it looks, maybe if I back up, you can see, look on this, I don't know if I explain it. Like, you can't put, you know, really a finger under here. You can, but only to like the second knuckle, just how I wanted it. That's how my last one was. And these are bigger tires, so they kind of poke out in the front a little bit, this side. And on this side, they poke out a little bit here. But it's the same fitment, you know, the front, same thing, second knuckle.
Dude, nobody told you the wrong way.
But the rears, because of the end links, I've come down to determine that it's a little bit bigger. It's almost like maybe like 1.5 inches over here, you know. And the coilover is maxed out. It won't go any lower than that. And then on this side, it was too low, so we had to raise it up a little bit, just kind of make it kind of even. But it's basically this side's tucked, which is how I want the other side to be, the other side. But yeah, I have new end links on the way. There's everything's in back order, so those are coming. But overall, good install. I mean, the coilover is gonna settle some, and I don't know, it's probably gonna make it worse. But whenever those end links get here, is when I will do another video, putting those on and adjusting the height, get it right. And yeah, it's been a long day. Long day. This should have took us like, I don't know, but like, I just kept getting frustrated with the fitment because I was like, you know, but my last setup looked perfect, you know, there's nothing wrong with it. And now I get to this one, it's just like, how'd that even happen? But I don't know. That's probably gonna be it for today's video. We're probably gonna go out and eat some food because I'm kind of hungry. And my homie helping me is asleep in the car. So hold on, I'm sure he's asleep. He's gonna wake him up on camera. Knocked out. That boy was up all night playing Warzone with me. Look at him. Oh, the boy's asleep. Yeah, boy's asleep. But yeah, all right. That's gonna be it. You woke up? Bro, how you wake up on your phone, dude?
You said what?
How you wake up on your phone?
Uh-oh.
Oh, we're in trouble.
But he has a Mustang. So,
You about to get sushi?
Huh?
You about to get sushi?
Yeah, bro.
I would
Oh,
not.
shit.
Actually, not gonna lie to you, we already got sushi, bro.
You serious?
Yeah.
You guys are faggots.
Bro, what time is it?
Unbelievable.
Look what time it is.
It's 5:02.
Bro, we've been gone, bro. We were
Yeah.
asleep.
That's crazy.
No, I'm playing. We didn't go. I'm messing with you. We didn't go yet. We're waiting for you to wake up, but you don't want to wake up, so.
Oh my god. Alright, Bella, you ready?
Yeah, bro.